going to check in with Lynae Miyer and look at our forecast, and hopefully things will feel a lot better today than they have the last couple days.
Yeah, it depends on what kind of weather you like. It's going to be cooler, but unfortunately the humidity is back, and you'll feel it this morning. We're still even picking up a few showers across northern Utah. These are moving towards the east-northeast. Very light showers at this point, but later today we are expecting more heavy thunderstorms, and that's as those temperatures do start to warm up later this afternoon. In fact, the National Weather Service has issued a flash flood watch for central and southern Utah from noon today till 9 p.m. With the thunderstorms today, we're expecting heavy rainfall, so areas around burn scars, slot canyons, and normally dry washes will see the potential for flash flooding. So if you are going hiking or camping today, just remember that the thunderstorms are in the forecast, not just today, but through the weekend, and that could mean potentially flash flooding if you're in the wrong place at the wrong time. Just something to be aware of. Still go out and enjoy your activities. Now today, for northern Utah, we're looking for the 80s. We'll be in the 90s by Saturday and the mid-90s by Sunday. And each day, those thunderstorm chances are in the forecast, but they go down just 10% through about the first part of next week. Temperatures this morning, not bad. You'll notice how it's humid outside. It doesn't feel as cool and crisp with the moisture still in place. 60s and 70s across the board starting this morning. Lots of moisture coming in from the south, and we are still again seeing some of those showers. But right now we have what kind of represents a monsoonal flow. We have moisture coming in from the south, from the Pacific, and that high pressure center that's been close to us the last few days is sliding off towards the east, and that's allowing two things to happen. One, we get cooler conditions. Temperatures don't warm up as much. And two, it allows that moisture to come in. So as our daytime temperatures heat up, we see thunderstorms popping up. That's around noontime. By about 3 or 4 o'clock is when we tend to see more activity across the state. So that's when we'll be looking for stronger thunderstorms to develop across central and southern Utah. Probably more than this map is displaying. Doesn't represent the moisture as well. And then we get to do it all over for your Saturday afternoon. So once again, if you're headed out to enjoy the weekend, just watch out for these guys during the afternoon. Remember, if you hear thunder, you can be struck by lightning. So head inside until those storms pass. It takes about 30 to 45 minutes for most storms to pass. And we are looking for potentially some heavy rainfall with them. Temperatures today, 77 in Bear Lake, 86 West Valley. A little bit warmer towards the west. We're in the mid-90s, and then low 90s down south. Now along the Uinta Basin, about a 20 to 30% chance for some thunderstorms for you guys. Central Utah, the chances get a little bit higher, 30 to 40% today. And temperatures, again, still warming up, but not as hot as they had been. Just a couple days ago, we were back in the hundreds, and we've slid temperatures down about 10 degrees from where we were the last couple days. So that's some good news if you're looking for a cool down. 82 for your high in Salina, 80 in Ridgefield. Will be at 87 in Kanab today. Expect more cloud cover across the state, and that's also going to help keep temperatures down just a bit along the Wasatch Front. We're looking for 80s and possibly maybe 90 or 2, but most of us should stay in the mid to upper 80s. St. George, you're in the 90s today, and then temperatures warm up as those rain chances go down through the weekend. By Monday into Tuesday, that high pressure returns, and that means that heat comes back as well as we kind of edge out storm chances. But for the weekend, once again, the big story will be the potential for these storms to produce heavy rain, lightning, and gusty winds. So that's something, of course, we'll be watching very closely. 547.